Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to add highlights on Instagram. So to do that, let's head over to our Instagram application first. Once you are there, make sure you're logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. From there, if you can't find, you might find the option of archive, head over there. And here you will find your story that you have posted earlier. So tap on any story that you want to put a highlight on. So I'm taking this one and there's a highlight option right here on the lower right corner. And here just name your highlight. I'm naming it one and just tap on add and go back. And once you're in your profile, as you can see, and I'm on my profile and I have added this highlight and named it. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.